Hello everybody, today we are gonna be playing some games in Roblox. My first video ever, so let's continue and see what games they are. Maybe we're gonna play some. Let's see in the games catalog parts. And let's put something. Which game? Let me check some games. Today we are gonna be playing Phantom Forces, guys. Phantom Forces is the most great game right now on Google. I'm gonna play my cousin's account on Yarrell's account. Let's continue recording with this. Continue recording now. Now I'm gonna play Phantom Forces. Okay. Now we're gonna start recording. I'm recording. So let's play some Phantom Forces. I'm recording. Stop it. Okay, guys, time to go insane pro mode. Pro mode activated. Beep bop, beep bop. I am the pro mode robot. Wait, let me call Hanzo and tell him I'm recording, yo. You can join it with Hanzo. Guys, this video is amazing, yo. The video is gonna be good. If you're wondering why, Hansla, I'm recording a video. Come join the game by download Screencast-Matic. It's a YouTube recording thing. What? You're doing math? Yes. Okay. This video is gonna be amazing with your account. Guys, so let's continue killing everything in this. Okay, where's this enemies? Because I don't know where the enemies are. Oh, come on. I didn't even see you and you killed me. This video is pretty cool. Hansla will join us soon, yes? You will join us soon, yes? As soon as you complete this quiz, yes? Or do you have to do a billion quests? Are you gonna join us or no? Tell us, bruh. Hansla, are you gonna join the game? Yes, uploaded on YouTube. Nope, I'll get some help from my mamu to edit the video. This is my first video, guys, and you will see me playing Phantom Forces. I'm failing so bad. And Hansla's doing a quest, which is kind of hard for him, yes? He's gonna join us soon in this game, yes? Nope. You've been waiting 7 hours in the computer just to solve this quest? You cannot even see in that much time, guys. Oh, I can't see. I don't see you, enemy. He was so close to killing me, guys. And I don't like it when I die. Killed ya. Nobody's gonna win when this boy is here. No survivor. No survivor, you guys. Oh! I was killing so many guys. You see that? That's the easiest trick to get kills in this Metro map. And wow. I only have 4 kills, which shows I'm really nubby. Sometimes I'm nubby and I kill this KS gay. with the Cerebral shotgun. So pretty much, yes. You're gonna click. Some people who show these games that work, how to get free Robux on YouTube, they don't work. They freaking just scam you. They just scam you with your account's a password. So never search a game called free Robux. It's always a scam, guys. I'm recording a video, Mona. Guys, let's kill some players. Oh my god, I'm feeling so bad. Hamla, I'm feeling so too much bad. Guys, these players are insane. They want to kill me, bruh. Bruh. You're gonna kill me, bruh. Bruh. So lame. Cause you are lame. Yo, this game is pretty lame for me. You're gonna kill these players. You're doing doubles. Okay guys, let's continue. And so, this is my first video ever. So, you guys know what's gonna happen. Sometimes you fail in your first videos. Look, I found the Dragonode, which is the gun which I kinda like. I guess for sniping mode. This is the gun which I like for sniping. And Hamza doesn't have the campaign points. So pretty much, and gonna go sniping with the Dragon Youth. Yes. So guys, this is my dude's account who was just here for a second ago. Oh my god, I forgot that you can just shoot as many bullets as you want, you guys. I'm kind of feeling really bad in my first video. Please tell me this video is gonna be great, not bad. I don't want this video to be bad. And of course, this video is gonna be awesome. Because everybody likes Phantom Forces. And this is a Phantom Forces special. So that's Phantom Forces, you guys. Now I'll show you something else, you guys, that you wanted to see, huh? Are you excited in my account to see my account games? The game in my account. Look, where's my friend? What's game? Boxing Simulator 5. Okay, I'll test Boxing Simulator 5. My first time playing this game. I don't know what it is actually like. So I'll join my friend's server. So yes, we are gonna be doing amazing. I hope so. This video gets me. I'll give you the like goal is 5 likes. 5 likes. This like goal is 5 likes. Okay, the like goal. If you can hit 5 likes, पहले मोहॉक था, लेकिन मैंने पानी डाल दिया इसके ऊपर। स्पीड work now. Muscle. Guys, this game is amazing. Guys, cost me $50. Coach, auto level every 5 seconds. See, coach. The boxing coach. Boxing gloves. Anything from the boxing gloves. Getting buff. Too much fast. कुछ नहीं. So yeah guys, that wasn't that cool. So now I'm back guys talking. Now you wanna see that cool Omar using my strength, which I kinda hate a lot. So yes, so pretty much this video is gonna be a failure or is it gonna be good? Yes I did. So we are gonna do the amazing stuff in this game. The amazing stuff. So yeah. You're very good. You're amazing. Real good in this video. So I am amazing. And I'm more amazing than anybody in the world. Because I'm recording this video. So yeah. Let's hope this video gets 5 likes. And I hope so 1K views. Can you guys do it? If you can do it, I'll be very happy. So yeah guys.